What's up, YouTube? I'd like to share a trade I took on Friday, October 31st, October 3rd, 2025. Yeah, on the daily time frame. This Monday's open. Had Tuesday, we had Wednesday, we had Thursday, all pressing higher. Yeah, I'll put some levels I would like to refer to. We had 25,027 and a quarter, and then we had 24,993 and three quarters as salient levels I would be aiming for on Friday. On the 4 hour time frame, had this 4 hour down close candle and label it with red at 25,095 even. And yeah, I'll drop down to the 15 minutes time frame. I started watching the price action at 9 a.m. New York time, and we've been pressing higher all week. Overnight we had this disruption above this Thursday's high, and we have this sell-off here. So I was watching this 4 hour level pre-session to see if price would use it as support to go higher, because we've had a bullish week, or price will attack these lows and possibly these lows. Yeah, I was watching the price action on the 15 minutes time frame, and I had a timeline of 1 hour to watch the chart, an hour and 30 minutes. I wasn't planning to look at the charts more than that. It was more of a tip reading session for me. And we had this candle at 9:30 open. Then we had this candle ran up here, hit the Spreakers high at 9:45 and sold off, attacking these lows here, attacking this support price and these lows at 25,074 and a quarter. And at this time, 10 a.m., I was expecting the 10 a.m. candle to spool to these lows. See if. So I took a shot here, but I closed it immediately because when I went to the 1 hour the daily time frame, this was the low of the day, and we had taken support here, and we had this 4 hour support here that could press price higher and possibly take price to the high of the day. So I closed my shorts here at 10:30, and I closed my charts too. So coming back at the end of the day, I saw that price ran to these lows here. Yeah, there's a text here I'd like to share. It said sold but closed because trading at low of day after running multiple support levels at 10 a.m. in an overall bullish market on Friday. with possibly small range. We look for an opportunity in the 11 a.m. candle. The risk was not worth the reward. Yeah, from past experiences, I know that at 10:30 we might form the low of the day or a short-term reversal. So when I realized that I was offside, I closed my position. Yeah, time to slap on some executions on here. Yeah, drop down to the 5 minutes time frame. I sold here and I exited here immediately when I looked at the daily time frame, and I closed my charts because I did not want to expend more mental capital than this particular time. I was still reading this price action, and I had a breakout on the 15 minutes time frame. It was nice to see that price. The low of the breaker, the open price of the breaker was the high of this candle. It was nice to see. Yeah, I do not regret closing my position here. If price had traded lower for the rest of the day, did not make this move here, I would have been okay missing the move because I had been caught up in scenarios like this where I have to hold my position. My stop was here when I took the shot here, and my take profit was here on a Friday. So I was okay missing the move. Yeah, that sums it up for today's review, guys. Till next time.